lost book. Because recorded this video, before I even went on, I went on Piggy Cutting Creator and made 2 of them. Alright, so it's ready now. Alright, so we're not. So I made it. 1, 2. Low detail. That looks terrible. So I put everything in place, so now all I have to do is play it for you guys. Alright, we're here. The military base, or should I say the North Base. No joking around, player. We must get in. The military base. It won't bite! I got an idea. What's your idea, Pony? The idea is you use your gun and shoot the door. If it doesn't work, then I found this key card on the ground. We can use it. Alright, sounds like a good idea to me. Mrs. City's watching us. Shoots at door. It didn't work. Time for your second plan, Pony. Alright. Whispers to himself, hee hee hee. Hey guys, do you think the cure is actually in there? Yes! There you go, that's a good. I tried, and then let's go to the second one. Alright, it's in the forest. Tried my best. Cutscene. Where are we? And where's William and Daisy? They're surrounded. Who are you? And what are you? A teddy bear? Why, yes, Pony. I am an infected nightmare monster teddy bear. Now you will be controlled by me. The insolence watches. Try, but the spell does not work and doesn't work anymore, Mr. City. This is outraging, minions. Get them. Not so fast, Mr. City. I think we're getting teleported back to the military base. Basically, that's Stitchy. Alright. Now I want to make a new one. Did I even make a new one? Yeah. Nope. So bow. I'm gonna say this is Grandpa's bow. Mr. Stitchy's gonna be watching them. Grandpa Piggy on the steps. Then we're gonna have Georgie in the middle because that's his. Well, he's gonna be right here. Player's gonna be right here. Player. Drella is also gonna be right here. So then we're gonna add Grandpa talking. He's gonna say, Georgie, I can't believe it's you. Oh, what just happened? I'm gonna set the color. I enjoyed making these before the video. hiding on this ship the entire time? And if its name why I have. This is my ship. I'm just gonna yes. Yes, I have. I'm gonna put umbrella since the dialogue from one of the maps is big. I hate to ruin the moment, but it's past your bed. But we should probably go to bed now. Okay, fine. But Grandpa, can I sleep? You? Here. Good night, everyone. Right. Look at the dialogue editor, it's called. We're gonna put his feet so they don't know who he is yet. And cancel. And then it's gonna show. It's gonna point the camera at Georgie. And the dialogue editor. Okay, Grandpa. Umbrella. She ruined the moment. And then Mr. Stitchy's. Wait, I wanna add a dialogue. Mr. Stitchy. But anyway. Georgie doesn't like to sleep. Alright, camera editor. So, Mr. Stitchy has a dark face. Whoa. Alright, let's put it here. There you go, preview cutscene. Georgie, I can't believe it's you. Grandpa, I feel the same way. Have you been hiding on the ship this entire time? Yes, I have. I hate to ruin the moment, but we should probably go to bed now. Okay, fine, but Grandpa, can I? Sure, kiddo. Now, good night, everyone. Hee hee. Let's fix that dialogue. And I go to bed. please. Georgie, I can't believe it's Georgie. I can't believe it's you. Grandpa, I feel the same way. Have I been hiding on the ship the entire time? Yes, I have. I hate to ruin the moment, but we should probably go to bed now. Okay, fine, but Grandpa, can I go to bed with you? Sure, kiddo. Sure, kiddo. No, good night, everyone. That's the best Mr. Sticky voice I can do. So yeah, we're gonna go back here, return to the main game. Or let's check out the roleplay, then we'll check out the real main game. But this main menu right here, shop. I just realized I have a scratched Robux code. I can use have Robux, cause I get Robux sometimes. It was from my birthday, I believe. Yeah. Why am I dressed up as a police? I like it. I'm not gonna talk to you guys. I like looking like a police. It's good. I'm just gonna, I just want to keep my avatar like this. Oh, whoa. What's that? Willow? Whoa. Oh, you can become around and study more. That is good. Is that Daisy? Is she like the leader, or she's definitely the leader? Maybe this. This thing makes that sound. Now let's go to the main game. Hold on, what's this? Oh, that's good. Main game. Intermission. Okay, we're in a game. Who's that? Hold on a second. He lost. Oh, cousin, that's their name. Let's go into the game. Intermission. Okay. Subway! Oh, I guess we can go eat some sandwiches now. I'm kidding. I'm joking. I really love sandwiches now. This game is amazing. I love it. You did amazing on it. Map loading to wait the children. Player. Oh, come on. No play. No. No! Oh, it's okay. We can try this game. We can see the cutscene. Is there a cutscene? Pick it up. Yes. I don't know if the train's going to be moving anytime soon. Oh, is it like a metro? I'd be better off on foot. That is not true. Oh, sweet. Okay, I got a key. I got a green key. Okay, where does this go? This is like the metro, but it's better. Please, error. Please reset interference. Oh, that's blue door. Okay, I'm learning stuff. Ooh, I almost accidentally said a bad word. Thank God. Oh, there's a note. Like, not even. I'm just gonna take a screenshot. I don't even want to read it because I don't like reading. I heard something. Is that? Oh, Piggy! Piggy's right there. Shut the door. Ah! Everyone run. Piggy's behind us. Oh gosh, the thing. Oh, great. Okay, I went through the vent. Okay, let them get chased. I'm sorry, person. I gotta go unlock the blue door. I'm running. Come on, dude. Get up here. Sorry. Shut the door. Run. And let's close it. Alright. Run. Oh, run, everyone. Okay. There's a no. I can't. Okay. Someone else unlocked something. Oh, there's a cyborg ink thingy. What? I think I'd be a good person to voice Georgie if they have. Oh God, that's a creepy noise. Run! Dude, you just shut the door in my face. what? Bruh, I'm not the traitor. Oh, alright, run! Dude, run! Come on, come on. Well, there's no door because I unlocked it. Yes, you did something! Dude. Alright, I got purple key, This is really dark. I hear Daisy. Oh! Oh, white key! Run! Run, dude! I got a purple key. Use it. Is that the white key? Yeah, that's the white key. Run, everyone. Oh god, there's a trap. Like in R6, you're not even oh god, I got the code! For once, the code is actually back in the game. Alright. You gotta distract him. Ah! Oh, I don't wanna die. Okay, go easy. What, guys? Piggy the log. Oh, just awesome. My really, like, literally. Derpy. What's this thing forever? Yeah, you, Piggy. Selected. It's only one chapter. Yeah, but that was actually really effective. They did it. Alright, Billy Bob's Toy Store. 1, 2, 3 is here. The guy who also escaped. I'm gonna read the cutscene again. It doesn't look like this train's going to be moving anytime soon. I'd be better off on foot. Yeah, I guess you could say that. But this game is actually really cool. Okay, grab cookies. Okay. This guy's really good. Like, he escaped already. He escaped his first. Well, he might not be his first game, but he escaped. Yeah, grab the purple key. Gonna need it. There's a note there. Why does this look like the Metro? It really does. Is that it? No, it's orange, I think. Unless I'm colorblind. Yeah, I'm colorblind, actually. I'm not kidding, I'm actually colorblind. And grab... Oh, good idea. Y'all grab the purple key. Uh-oh. Piggy's coming. But we got this time. Billy Bob's Toy Store. Run. I'll go in circles. No! Not again! Maybe because like, did I just hit Mr. City? Go to main game. Main game. I really like this game so far. I really do. It's amazing. Main game. Subway, banana. That is actually a good name. I like that. Wait. They're using display names. If I get a display name, I'm gonna name my character literally fast. I just can't figure out how to use it. I wish this Roblox had this through. I'm a long player. Oh. So once Piggy ends, we can just keep playing this game and then play other Piggy inspired games. Doesn't look like this train's going to be worth me moving every time soon. Yeah, obviously. I'd rather be off on foot. I'd be better off on foot. First of all, that is not right. But I do like the music. Oh gosh, yes, I got it. Wait, no, it's probably goes this way. It goes like, come on. Going this way, it is over here. Right here. I'm alone. Grab the blue key from the start. Oh god, no, give me that. Oh gosh, sorry. Ooh, I found a key. Red key, okay. Is this it? It's orange. It's not working. Can I? You know, I'm not even going to glitch. I just realized that's a little bit different. Oh, blue door. You guys, come on. Oh gosh, be careful. Run, banana! Oh god, do you have the blue key? Get the blue key. You're gonna need it. You're gonna need it. Please, no. Go get the blue key! Gosh, I have the red key. We're gonna do. Piggy's right there! Run! Oh great, no, you died. Oh god. I got blue key! I'm running. Okay. I go. Oh yeah, we need a wrench. There's the red key. The door. Stop chasing me! What is that? Run, people! Run! He's right behind us. There's more players. It's green key, right? No, right? Oh god, no. Oh no, Piggy, get away from me. Please, get away from me. Thingy, you're pretty cool though, but he's going to die so far. I'm you. Stack only. I'm like that. I got the orange key, okay. Gotta be careful for this one. It's gonna move, and then he's gonna try to kill us. He's chasing me now. Not gonna grab the key. No! I keep jumping. I like how you have your character in the middle. I mean, it makes sense. Why do I keep dying? Why? I'm just the lucky one to die. Okay, main game again. They're getting back teleported, and I'm literally losing every time. I feel really bad for myself. Yes, we're in a game. We don't have to choose. I hear Piggy. Okay, got the purple key. Piggy is just... I'm scared. Grab that. Okay. I'm also really scared. Piggy is really smart. Oh! Whoa! Ah! I don't want to die! I don't want to die! Where does this go? Died. Oh, God. I'm distracted. Well, you died. Okay, I got code. I got code. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Vent. We're the imposters. I just made an Among Us joke. Okay. Pony's also an imposter. Oh gosh. You're really not gonna go for me! How are you making this harder? Derpy. I'm not dying again! I'm not dying! No! We lost someone! Run! I'm scared. Why do people keep dying? Did I do something wrong? Like, I am going to... This close to dying. Run, dude! Run! I got orange key. I think this has already been used. Oh, this is red. I'm really scared, actually. This is more terrifying than when I started playing Piggy. Like the real game. I'm actually scared. I'm not kidding. I'm scared. Oh, gosh. Where is that? Hammer, we need... Oh! Yes! Yeah! Be able to do it? I got hammer! Run! I can't die! I don't want to die! Okay, that's it! Escape! Yes! I did it! Really? Don't kill me! Please don't kill me! I'm a police! Not so bad. You're an infected, aren't you? Bro, don't look at my face. If you are, I'll let you. If you think I'll let you pass by a wreck havoc, hang on a minute. Infected? What are you talking about? I think there's been a misunderstanding. Oh, you can talk? The infected can talk. I must have been wrong about you. My apologies. Name's Umbrella. How much is up? My name is Vasquez, and what did you mean by an infected? I'll explain later. You need to take me to the bunker. It's not safe out here, okay? That was weird. Let's do one more round and I'm ending this video. I love that! I am finally there! I am awesome! What did I just say there? Fake accent, what? Is that a leg? Fang, main game, I mean. I love this. I love Derpy. I just said something weird. I love the game Derpy. You did amazing on it. I'm not gonna lie, Derpy. I almost died! I'm literally... Oh! I don't care if I die this time. Oh gosh, there's a vent. There's a vent right here. Vent. And then vent back out! Oh, they just died. Oh, I feel so bad. Not kidding. That just shot in my face. Yeah, I really got it off the cliff. Okay, I won't get you to the bad guy. That was really weird. Really awkward. I really like this game, Derpy. I really do. It's amazing. You did great. Okay, got the code, but they haven't unlocked that thing yet. I really like this game. I think I'm gonna go oof real quick, then I'm gonna end the video, because it's literally 30 minutes right now. Alright guys, we're gonna end this video here. See you guys. Bye!